This DELARLO Tri-Ply Stainless Steel 12-inch frying pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a 12.5-inch non-toxic cooking surface. This pan ensures fast and even heat distribution, so you can cook your meals perfectly every time. The tri-ply stainless steel construction makes it very durable. You won't have to worry about replacing it soon. The DELARLO Tri-Ply Stainless Steel 12-inch frying pan is compatible with all cooktops. It can even handle temperatures up to 600. This makes it oven safe as well. Whether you have induction, gas, or electric, this skillet will work for you. The design promotes fast and even heating. This helps in saving time and energy. Plus, the non-toxic surface gives peace of mind. For those who value durability and performance, the DELARLO Tri-Ply Stainless Steel 12-inch frying pan is a solid choice. It's built to last, and it heats up quickly and evenly. Cleaning is also easy, and you won't have to worry about harmful chemicals. While it might not be GIPFEL, its quality shines. There are no common reports of any defect. This frying pan offers great value for your time and money. Pros: tri-ply stainless steel, all cooktops compatible, up to 600. Safe, oven safe, induction skillet 12.5-inch surface, non-toxic cooking, fast and even heat. Durable cookware 12-inch size. Cons: can stick if not used right, needs careful preheating, oil must be hot before food, cleaning. Can take effort, may discolor with high heat, no non-stick coating, can be heavier than others. Handle can get hot, price may be higher, potential for warping features. Tri-ply stainless steel 12-inch frying pan, all cooktops compatible, up to 600. Safe, oven safe, induction skillet 12.5-inch surface, non-toxic cooking, fast and even heat. Durable cookware. This DELARLO 12-inch frying pan is made with 3 layers of strong stainless steel, which helps it heat up quickly and evenly on all kinds of stoves, including induction. You can even use it in the oven up to 600 degrees. The cooking surface is about 12.5 inches wide and is made to be safe and not have harmful stuff. This pan is built to last and make cooking faster and more consistent. This DELARLO 12-inch frying pan is made with 3 layers of stainless steel for fast and even heating on all types of stoves. And it can also go in the oven up to 600 degrees. It has a 12.5-inch cooking surface and is made of non-toxic materials, aiming to be a durable piece of cookware. However, food might stick if you don't preheat it carefully and make sure the oil is hot enough. And cleaning might take some effort. Also, very high heat could cause discoloration. And keep in mind it doesn't have a non-stick coating and might feel heavier than other pans. Plus the handle can get hot and it might cost more. There's also a small chance it could warp.